Hey Costco fans, let's clear the air about something that's been flooding inboxes and social feeds lately. Those flashy offers promising a $750 Costco gift card from perksupply.com. If you're wondering, is this the deal of the year or just another internet scam? Let's break it down. First up, perksupply.com is not Costco. It's not an official partner, and it isn't authorized to hand out gift cards on Costco's behalf. In fact, sites like these are what I call high-risk lead generation traps. They dangle huge rewards, like that $750 card, to get you to hand over personal details. That means your data could be sold, and you might end up with spam, unwanted charges, or worse. Here are some giant red flags to watch for. Number 1. Costco will never send out random gift card offers through texts, DMs, or weird third-party links. Number 2. These sketchy sites want you to complete endless deals, often asking for your credit card info or signing up for paid trials. And let's be real, a $750 reward just for applying isn't how legit companies operate. Costco's actual rewards tie back to your real spending, not wishful clicking. And get this, Costco's own customer service has a running list of known scams, warning members to avoid anything that doesn't come straight from a Costco.com domain. If it's not official, hit delete. So, what's the real way to score Costco perks? Stick to the classics. Executive members can earn up to $750 a year, based on their actual purchases. Costco shop cards? Only buy them in-store or directly from Costco.com. And if you ever do get a digital gift card, it'll only come from their official email addresses, not some random sender. Here's your quick safety checklist. Never give out your social security number or bank details on reward sites. Don't click on suspicious links about unclaimed rewards. And always double-check that URL before you log in with your Costco info. Bottom line, if the offer sounds way too good to be true, it probably is. Stay sharp, shop smart, and protect your wallet.